Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and we are on day 8 of my tag a day November. For today's tag, I used a crafty courtyard kit from Pink and Maine. I believe it was like February 2022. Some of it is, I don't think any of it's available, but I'll talk about that as we go along. So I did use some of the enamel dots that came with it. I used the Dragonfly Dreams Pink and Maine paper pad. And then I used the Dragonfly Dreams stamp. I meant to grab out in the shop. This is not available, but there is a stamp set called Floral Wings, and I will link everything below that has this image plus a butterfly and a bee. I think that's all. Can't think of it right now, but it is gorgeous, and it is, like I said, it's exactly the same dragonfly. So if you like this style, it is a gorgeous stamp set. So it will be linked below. And then I did have the die, so I used that. I used some stitched scallop basic edges from My Favorite Things. And then I used the Gina Marie Designs arched stitched tag, since I needed a little bit bigger tag for today's tag. And here is what I created. I have to giggle about my ribbon. It started out and it was really long. And I cut it and I cut it and it looked uneven, and I cut it. And by the time I was done trying to get it to be even, we had a short little tag. Or a short little ribbon, but it works. There's that dragonfly. As I drop it, sorry. There's where I used those basic stitched edges. I cut out a tag out of this yellow paper and then just did that. Those enamel dots. I did put stickles on the wings and the center of the flower, so it's very sparkly. There's the back. I used some of the cardstock that came in the kit so it would, match. But I think it turned out just beautiful. So sparkly and pretty. I absolutely love it. So there is my tag for day 8. I hope that you have an amazing day. Thanks so much for all the kind comments. I'm so glad that everyone is enjoying this series. Several of you have mentioned that you like waking up in the morning and starting with this quick little video. I'm all about quick videos. I don't have the attention span to watch long ones. I usually have to do them like in different settings, or sittings. I can do like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I have to come back. Looking forward to 2023. I might continue doing something like this not every morning, most mornings, like a different theme. I don't know. Mulling it over. Anyways, I guess I'm in a rambling mood today, but I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you soon.